When TeraFlex developed our lifetime guaranteed adjustable ball joints for the JK as well as for the TJ style axles, that didn't mean we would stop there. Develop a great idea and then improve on it. That's pretty much how we roll at TeraFlex. Let's take a look at some of the improvements we've made on the ball joints. Probably the most noticeable improvement is the easy access grease port that even the boys at Jiffy Lube are going to be able to find and access and even lube. That's huge. We still offer our anti-corrosion magnesium phosphate coating and offer the joint in both a knurled as well as a standard fit application. Now remember, we only want to use that knurled joint in the place of a loose ball joint fit. The way the JK ball joint mounts, all of the weight of the front of the Jeep is being carried by that lower ball joint. By moving the adjustment collar to the bottom, it frees up the adjusting collar and the joint is now adjustable with the Jeep sitting on the ground. We also increased the clearance at the top of the joint so that even later model JKs can use this new design without modifications. The U-joints and axle flanges clear easily. If adjustability is good, infinite adjustability is awesome. Loosen the 3 set screws and use the provided spanner wrench to adjust the joints as needed. It's quick and clean. Internally, we added a larger hard alloy tool steel wear plate to provide even better wear resistance and to allow for increased grease flow. You probably noticed the lack of a grease boot. A lip seal is used to prevent any contamination from coming in, and yet it still allows that old grease to be pushed out and replaced with fresh lubrication. The upper ball joints still use the extremely wear resistance sintered metal bushings. They'll easily control the extra weight and load that we throw at our Jeeps. Now don't panic when you feel the stud moving in and out. It's designed that way. Its job is to control lateral movement. The vertical is controlled by the lower ball joint. TeraFlex's new upgraded adjustable ball joint replacement kit is just yet another example of TeraFlex working for you to help bring joy and happiness to your life. I think we'll all agree that nothing can do that like a set of adjustable TeraFlex heavy-duty ball joints.